Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to another exciting episode of Delicious and Easy Recipes. Looking for a fun and delicious snack that everyone will love? Look no further. Homemade salsa and crispy chips are the perfect treat for any occasion. They're great for parties, movie nights, or just a casual afternoon snack with your loved ones. The best part? They're super easy to make, even if you're not a kitchen expert. Get ready to wow your friends and family with this simple and satisfying recipe that will leave them asking for more. This recipe is quick, easy, and oh so delicious. Perfect for any time of the day. You can adjust the ingredients to your liking, making it as mild or spicy as you prefer. Customize it to suit your taste buds. So grab your ingredients, put on your apron, and let's get started on this culinary adventure. You won't regret it. First, let's gather our ingredients for a flavor-packed salsa. You'll need a variety of fresh, vibrant produce to make this salsa truly special. Juicy tomatoes, the heart of our salsa. Use ripe red tomatoes for the best flavor. They provide a sweet and tangy base that is essential for a delicious salsa. Aromatic onion. One small onion will do the trick, adding a nice sharpness to the mix. It complements the sweetness of the tomatoes perfectly. Fiery jalapeno. This is where you control the heat. Use one whole jalapeno for a spicy kick, or remove the seeds for a milder flavor. Adjust according to your spice preference. Zesty lime. The juice of one lime adds a refreshing tanginess that balances out the other flavors. It brings a bright citrusy note to the salsa. Fresh cilantro. A handful of chopped cilantro adds a bright citrusy aroma. It gives the salsa a fresh, herbaceous flavor that is simply irresistible. Salt and pepper. A pinch of each enhances all the delicious flavors. Don't underestimate the power of these simple seasonings. That's it! Simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. These ingredients come together to create a salsa that is perfect for any occasion. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's move on to the fun part, making the salsa. Get ready to mix and enjoy this delightful creation. Now, let's turn those beautiful ingredients into a vibrant salsa. First, dice the tomatoes, onion, and jalapeno into small pieces. You want everything to be bite-sized for easy scooping. Then, finely chop the cilantro. Next, grab a large bowl and combine the diced tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Squeeze in the juice of one lime. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning later, so start small and add more if needed. Section 4. From tortilla to chip. Achieving crispy perfection. While the salsa is resting and the flavors are getting to know each other, let's make our crispy tortilla chips. This is the perfect time to get everything ready for a delightful snack. Grab a stack of corn tortillas. You can find these at any grocery store. Make sure they are fresh for the best results. Using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, cut each tortilla into 6 triangles, just like you're slicing a pizza. This will give you the perfect chip size for dipping. Next, heat a large skillet over medium heat. It's important to get the temperature just right for even cooking. Add a thin layer of vegetable oil to the pan. You don't need too much oil, just enough to cover the bottom of the skillet. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the tortilla triangles in a single layer, making sure they're not overlapping. This ensures they cook evenly and get crispy all over. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning. Once they're nice and crispy, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crunch. Now repeat the process with the remaining tortilla triangles until you have a beautiful pile of golden brown chips. Enjoy them with your freshly made salsa or any dip of your choice. Section 5. Seasoning and serving. Your salsa fiesta awaits. Now that our chips are crispy and our salsa is bursting with flavor, let's get ready to serve. For an extra flavor boost, sprinkle the warm chips with a pinch of salt or your favorite seasoning. Pour the salsa into a colorful bowl and arrange the chips around it. For a festive touch, add a lime wedge to the side. And there you have it, a beautiful spread of homemade salsa and crispy tortilla chips, ready to be devoured. Section 6. Ready, set, snack. Time to dive into homemade goodness. Congratulations, you did it! You've successfully created a delicious and satisfying snack that's sure to impress. So grab a chip, scoop up some salsa, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. This recipe is all about having fun in the kitchen and creating something delicious with your own two hands. So don't be afraid to experiment. Add different ingredients, adjust the spice level, and make it your own. Happy snacking!